Hello everyone, and welcome to Ayesha's Herbal Fruit and Vegetable Balcony Hutters. My name is Ayesha and this is my channel. So on this channel I grow a variety of stuff such as herbs, fruits, vegetables. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're most welcome. Why not join the team by subscribing and sharing the video? You can comment as well. Yeah, so today's video is just a brief tour of my garden and how it's doing. My cherry tomato is almost ready for harvesting, and also have a couple of beans that are doing very well. So let's go on this tour. So here I have some borage that is doing very well, and I have some tomato. My tomatoes are doing very well. This is my coriander. It's the most ginormous coriander ever. We have some spring onions in here, seedlings, as well as some bell's pepper seedlings that are doing very well. I'm not sure these seedlings, maybe I'll have to overwinter them, to be quite honest, for next year. We have some radishes here. I have to overwinter the pepper for next year so that I can have some harvest. Yeah. Cocoyam leaves they are doing very well. Again, I have to find time to harvest because they keep producing more leaves. I'm gonna use it for some contemporary stew with rice. Yeah, so since my last update of transplanting my palm, I've given it a bigger pot to accommodate it. Where I put my washing, and I came out this morning, and this is what a neighbor has put inside my garden. Look at it. As you can see, it has burnt my leaf, and you can also see that there's a flammable pet here as well as my clothes. So what do you think will happen? A neighbor just threw this into my garden. I'll leave this for you guys to do the analysis. This is what I face on a daily basis. Bullying from neighbors and what have you. Bullying everywhere. So that is just by the way. In here, I have some spring onions popping up, doing very well. Yeah. And in here, I have some radishes and some wood lice having the best time of its life. And I have some groundnut there. My last groundnut was eaten by a squirrel. The full plant was eaten. So I've decided to plant some. Maybe I might not get any yield from it because we are in August. Yeah. Borage plants that is also doing very well. This is my gooseberry plant. This plant keeps just giving me leaves. I don't know when it will start producing fruit for me to enjoy. So yeah. And then in here I have some beans, a couple of beans doing well, and my pot Acanthus is also as giving me a new leaf. Yeah, and this is my tomato plants. It's about to flower. Yeah, and then in here we have a couple of beans, tomatoes, plants, and what have you. And in here I do have some corn, as well as some pineapple, a couple of seedlings in here. Lettuce, as you can see, lettuce has gone to seed. It's dried, so I have a couple of seeds for next year. Yeah, during our harvesting, I might harvest some seeds, and then we'll have to keep them for next year. And then these are my tomato plants, doing very well. As you can see, this one is about to flower. As you can see, it's about to flower. In there very soon we'll have some beautiful tomatoes popping up. And on this one, as you can see, I have some tomato already coming up there. This one is a cherry tomato plant, and as you can see, my cherry tomato is ripening up. These are looking orange. Very soon they will turn red, and then we can harvest. I'm gonna upload a video soon. We have some carrot seeds there as well that has gone to seed. Again, I'm gonna have some carrot seeds, and here tomato flowering, preparing to fruit. Yeah, more tomatoes this year. I have a lot of tomato plants doing well. Yeah. So, and in here I have some radishes doing extremely well. Yeah. So in here as well, guys, we have some beans doing well here. We have some potatoes in here. A couple of stuff, because the place is very narrow. I don't really want to go down here. Yeah, so we have a couple of carrots in there. Some flowers and what have you. So yeah, this is what somebody put in my garden. Yeah, pathetic, isn't it? Yeah. Try and just remove it. Use a tissue to remove it. And use a tissue to remove it. Not touching that disgusting stuff. So guys, I hope you have a good time. And this are my suckers, tomato suckers, and I'm trying to root them. As you can see, I have a couple of roots. Don't know whether you can see it. Yeah, so I'm gonna have an abundant supply of tomatoes, and this is my beans. I'm trying to grow some seed. I'm trying to dry some seeds here. I've covered it because I don't want too many flies in there, fruit flies in there. Guys, this is what we have. Can't you see how beautiful these cherry tomatoes look? They are a breath of fresh air, aren't they? Very beautiful. And also I have more flowers popping up, which means I'm gonna have more producing. It's beautiful, isn't it? And these are carrots that has gone to seed, so I'm gonna get some carrot seeds here. Yeah, and I have some onions in there that are ready to be harvested. I planted one, I got 3 onions, so I'm yet to harvest this. Very soon we'll do some harvesting. Yeah, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you. Bye.